Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a no-sew doll. And here's the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need some scrap yarn for your skin color, pink yarn, preferably in bubblegum shade for your blush, black scrap yarn for your eyelashes, or smiles, however you want to make your facial expressions. And you need a certain color yarn for your hair color. You're definitely going to need your stuffing. We're going to be working with a 3.5mm hook. You're going to need your needle. My cat's saying hello. Pair of scissors. Stitch marker. We need safety eyes, any color. This is just an example, or you can use your plain black ones. Or if you're not familiar with safety eyes or you don't have any, you can always use some googly eyes, especially the kind that are sticky. In particular, that will be very helpful to you. For rounds 1 and 2, we are just going to go ahead and do
24
single crochet all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and apply my stitch marker. And you know, it's not that hard to do single crochet all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start a few stitches with you, and then I will meet you at the end of the round. So we're just going to literally just be going all the way around. We're not going to be working in between these two legs. We're just going to go all the way around for 2 rounds. Alright, so I'm going to do a few with you. Here we go, and I will see you when we're ready to start the next round. So here's what we should have after we have completed our 2 rounds of
24
single crochet. If you want, you can lightly stuff that, but I'm gonna choose not to because I don't want to accidentally get my stuffing in the way while I'm crocheting. For round 3, we're gonna be doing 1 single crochet in the next, then 2 in the next. So it's going to be 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. And we're just going to be doing that all the way around. So let me go ahead and do my first single crochet just to get us started. Pull that tight, it was a little loose there. 1 single crochet. And excuse my little puppy, my Roxy. She hears somebody outside. And then we're going to go 2 in the next. We're just going to do that all the way around. There we go. 1 single crochet. 2 in the next. 1 single crochet. 2 in the next. 1 single crochet, 2 in the next, and we're just going to keep doing that all the way around until you get to the last stitch. 1 single crochet, 2 in the next, and you should have
36 single crochet.
So now from there we're going to carry on And for the next 3 rounds, we are just going to do 36 single crochet all the way around. I'm going to do a few with you. That's one. I'm going to replace my stitch marker again. I know I won't because it flicked out of my hand. I have a bad habit of doing that. Get another one. 2, 3. All the way around for the next 3 rounds. And I will see you then. Alright, so having completed that round, you should have something that looks like this. And we're going to go ahead and just lightly stuff that. And for our next round, so you're going to do 1 single crochet and decrease 12 times. So I'll get you started. Do 1 single crochet. All right. And then we're going to add our stitch marker. All right. Now we're going to do a decrease in these next 2 stitches. So what we're going to do is we're going to be working in the back loops. And we're just going to go, not into both loops, but we're going to go right into here. See if you get a good look at that. There's 1. Back loop of the next. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Wrap yarn around. Well, actually, you should probably do yarn under. So we're just going to do that next. Let's go ahead and we're going to go on both loops for the next one because that's 1 single crochet. And then we're going to do a decrease again in the back loops. You get a tighter stitch if you do a yarn under, but sometimes I know it's a little harder to get your yarn through the loops. Okay, so we're just going to do 1 single crochet. Right in here. Yarn under. 1 single crochet. I think this is what they call the invisible decrease. It's supposed to give you nicer, tighter stitches. And just keep doing that all the way around. And I will meet you at the last single crochet. Okay, so I've finished going all the way around. And then we're going to do that for the next round as well. Just 1 single crochet decrease. So I will meet you at the end of that round as well. You should have 24 single crochet. Okay, for your next round, you should have 16 single crochet. And now we are going to do 4 rounds of 16 single crochet. So that's single crochet just going all the way around for 4 rounds. And I'm going to do a few with you. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and just keep going all the way around, and I will meet you at the end of our 4 rounds. After 4 rounds, you should have something that starts to look like this. And I will see you next time. Bye. God bless you.